because that's the only kosher authorized way for that, something like this before the printing was made, hundreds of years before. And let's stay like this today, he writes in the Hebrew that we can read today. Hebrew that we use today. That's a miracle by itself. Our newspaper are written almost the same. Hebrew as the scriptures were made hundreds, thousands of years ago.
Kijk, kom eens.
Zo net zien we de schrijven heel stuk.
Netjes handschrift, né? Perfect.